Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding algebraic fractions worksheets. So this video gives us two worksheets on the topic of adding algebraic fractions. Now we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide, click on the available link that will take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all these examples. So what I'll do first of all, I'll leave this video on, or this particular slide on, for about 1 minute, and then I'll move on to slide number 2. Okay, I'll go on to the second slide now, but remember you can pause this video at any time on any slide and you can keep it there for as long as you want. So here is the second slide. I'll also keep that on for 1 minute before we move on to the last slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and if you need help you can just click on the link that's available. I hope you enjoyed doing these exercises.